it's Sarah with Free Mind. We're just gonna do a quick video here on the sound. We're doing it on the sound, not the letter, because a sound can be represented by different letters. For example, is an F, like the word feel. It can be as in phone, like PH. And it can also be represented, strangely enough, by a GH, as in the word enough. So let's focus on the sound and how we make it with our mouth and what the characteristics are. Repeat after me. First question, does that sound stop and stutter, or is it a continuous sound? It's a continuous sound, that's right. Now look at my mouth closely. Where are my teeth? Yep, they're resting just above my bottom lip. And they're creating friction, which causes the air to resist. Now one more thing, put your fingers on your throat here and make the sound. Is there a vibration or no? So there's no vibration, which means it's a voiceless sound. Compare that to another sound like duh, 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 which has a vibration. Okay, so now let's do a few words that have the sound f. And f can be at the beginning of the word, can be in the middle, or it can be at the end, so make sure you listen closely. Can you hear f in flower? Can you hear f in friend? Can you hear f in power? Can you hear f in box? Can you hear f in afraid? Can you hear f in muffin? Can you hear f in oven? Can you hear f in off? Can you hear f in half? Can you hear f in pen? Okay, that concludes all the questions I wanted to ask and a review of this sound. See you guys later.